Just switch to a Mac, or maybe you are using one for the first time. macOS can feel different. But not to worry, guys, I have got you covered. Welcome to this first video on this channel, the Mac Essential. So, if you are the one who is looking for a channel or video that elevate your productivity while working in macOS, then please do like and subscribe to the Mac Essentials. And in this particular video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to navigate macOS like Pro, even if you are coming from Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with basics. When you turn on your Mac, this is your desktop, your main workspace. So let's start with Finder. This blue smiley face that you can see is known as Finder. Think of this as a file explorer on Windows. Let's say if you are coming from Windows, it helps you to browse files, folder, and connect a device. So let's click on this blue smiley face icon, and there we go. So here we can see as we clicked on it, it has opened the Finder. And if you are coming from, let's say, Windows environment, it looks slightly different the way hard drives are being seen there. And now, in fact, I would say if you press Windows Home button, that also looks something like this. All right. Now from here, you can access, let's say, for example, application that is installed in your Macintosh, or you can also go and see the user specific or your specific content by visiting user profile. Now, if I go back here, I can also find the system folder, which contain obviously system related files in folder and is of no use for normal users. Now let me close this. Now let's talk about this whole dock, your shortcut to the apps. This is like, I would say, if you are coming from Windows, like Windows taskbar, but in terms of visual appeal, I would say it is much more better. And just like Windows taskbar, you can always customize apps simply by dragging and dropping to the place wherever you would like to. So it is that easy to reorder app inside this dock. Now let's say you would like to add another app here. All you need to do is you can go to Launchpad, which is the second app here, and then simply drag it using left mouse button and place it in the dock. So in this way, you can easily place app inside your dock. Now, let's say I would like to remove any app, make a right click, go to option, and then click on remove from the dock. So in this way, we can also remove app from the dock, or you can simply drag it out from the dock. This way also we can remove app from this dock. Now let me talk about the menu bar or the top bar that we can see on the top. The real power of macOS. The left side shows the app menu. Whichever app you will open, your menu will change automatically. For example, if I open this VLC, you will see I will get the VLC menu here on the top. And there we go. On the right hand side here, you will see quick settings. For example, you would like to increase volume, you would like to control or manage volume, or want to change output device, or probably you would like to connect Wi-Fi, and so on. These icons also change based on the device you are using. So here currently I am using a desktop Apple computer, so I do not see battery icon, else you will also find battery icon as well. All necessary quick setting you will find it here. So this was a very basic overview of macOS workspace, where we can see on the bottom we have got this dock. We talk a little bit about Finder and this top menu. And if you are new to Mac, I do not want to make you feel overwhelmed in first video. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. In our next video, probably we're gonna dive a little bit more deep into Finder app. So make sure to subscribe to the Mac Essential to follow more such productivity tutorial related to macOS. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.